To create a shared calendar in 2025, start by choosing a calendar platform that suits your needs, such as Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Apple Calendar. Consider the number of users, the level of access control you need, and the devices your team uses. First, set up your calendar account if you don't already have one. For Google Calendar, go to the Google Calendar website and sign in with your Google account. For Microsoft Outlook, go to the Outlook website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Next, create a new calendar by clicking on the plus sign or the Create button. Depending on the platform, give your calendar a name, such as team meetings or company events, and choose a color to differentiate it from other calendars. Now, add users to your shared calendar by entering their email addresses and choosing their level of access. You can choose from various permission levels, such as editor, contributor, or reader, depending on how much control you want to give each user. To share your calendar, click on the Share button and copy the calendar link or invitation. Send this link to your team members, who can then accept the invitation and access the shared calendar. Best practices for creating a shared calendar include setting clear expectations for usage, establishing a consistent naming convention, and regularly reviewing and updating the calendar to ensure accuracy. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a shared calendar that helps your team stay organized and on track. Remember to choose the right platform. Set up your calendar, add users, share the calendar, and establish clear guidelines for usage. With a shared calendar, you can streamline communication, reduce scheduling conflicts, and increase productivity.